Hi Daniel, thanks for being here. We are taking one video sessions with our investors, mentors, and everyone who helped Monetizr along the way. Could you shortly introduce yourself and tell a little bit more about your background?
Sure. I'm Daniel Davenport. I've been in the digital space for about 25 years now. I started a web shop back in 1994 when the internet first came online, and I've been working in the space a long time. I'm also fortunate enough to be a Techstar mentor, which is how I met the Monetizr last year, and I'm very excited about blockchain technology.
You were Monetizr Techstar's mentor, but you also invest in Monetizr. Could you explain why?
Sure. Yeah, I think that the Monetizr token has a market use and is going to have a real strength and durable strength in the marketplace, creating benefit for its users and the game developers in a way that I haven't really seen other companies formulated. So I'm very excited about the future and the opportunities.
If we a little bit back up here, could you explain in your own words what Monetizr is and what's its value for everyone who's participating in it?
Yeah, sure. I think in my own simple terms that the Monetizr does a couple of different things. It provides an additional way for game developers to earn money through very real-world physical goods that are branded with in-game components and icons and things. So there's this real physical world value to the Monetizr token. It also provides the gamers with a reward for their good work, and then it allows portability between games so that you can spend your tokens that you earn in one game in another game, and so it creates this whole game ecosystem and economy that I think is going to be really important to all of the participants.
I think that's a rock star explanation. Thank you for that. And if I move on with the next question, there are many ICOs are happening in token sale events. What sets Monetizr apart far from, or how Monetizr is more specific than or better than any other ICOs there?
Sure. I mean, I think that in the last 6 months we've seen a lot of irrational exuberance in the blockchain marketplace as a whole, and specifically on ICOs. And I think that what sets Monetizr apart is that Monetizr started before that craze. It was a consistent plan stepping forward to provide a use token that was going to make a difference and it was going to be used. And so that's why it seems to me it's very different. The Monetizr team has a lot of experience. They went through the Techstar program. It's a seasoned group of professionals that know what they're doing, both in the game space, in the merchandise space, and in the blockchain space.
Oh, that's quite solid. Thank you for that. What's your envision? How the blockchain technology can evolve and where could it go?
Sure. I think that the blockchain is one of the most exciting developments going today, and I think it has the opportunity to revolutionize the way that we interact with the web. I think it's one of the most important things that's ever happened since TCP/IP, because it allows us to establish a network of trust without central party intermediaries, and that means that we can trade value in terms of tokens or actual currency. It also means, I hope, that we get to maintain control over our own data, and you don't get these kingmakers out there like Facebook and some others that all of a sudden get rich off of other people's value and contributions. So I think that we're just in the beginning of the blockchain revolution, obviously, and that many of the things that we talk about today are going to be down stack. Right? So nobody's going to know what IOTA is in 10 years. It's just going to be the way the refrigerator talks to the rest of the house or whatever. So it's a really exciting time, and I'm excited to be a part of it.
Thanks, Daniel. A couple of questions with you. Thank you again for the opportunity for taking with us. And if you have any questions for Daniel and Monetizr, just add comments below. Thanks again, Daniel.
Thank you very much.